It used to be that the business landscape was a man's world, but times are changing. Today, women are wielding more and more power on both sides of the business transaction. It is clear that they are not just influencing the market, they are the market. And hey, this is not just a trend, it's happening. Some people may even say that the rise of female leaders is surprising, but I say it's 100% predictable. The dog days are definitely over. We are able to capture 2 stories of women who have established themselves as system makers and successful business propellers. Get inspired in today's episode only here on Cook and Talk TV. Open something delicious. Kapehan sa Boulevard is a humble coffee shop that stands along Maramba Boulevard, Lingayen. With its rustic character dressed with rather not so old but definitively furniture pieces, it surely stands out. It's like revisiting an antiquated era where what you typically see are tones of brown and red, wood and fire. Gilded across a tiny space are tokens and accolades of the proud young owner who also happens to be one of the town's Sangguniang members. Welcome to another episode of Cook and Talk TV, spreading the real message of people and food. And today, nandito po tayo sa loob ng Kapehan sa Boulevard. It's one of the coffee shops around Lingayen area. At siya po ay pagmamayari ng isa sa ating kagalang-galang na counselor dito sa Lingayen. At she is equally talented, beautiful, and smart. Let us all welcome Honorable Judy Vargas. Would you like to say something?
Hello! Magandang araw po sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ng Cook and Talk TV. I'm very, very happy and honored to be here with you. Thank you po for guesting me here.
At thank you po sa pagpapaunlak ng aming imbitasyon. So, nandito po tayo sa loob ng kanyang kapehan. As you can see, it's very welcoming yung ambience natin, no? At syempre, pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa inyong venture at syempre, hobby na rin. Ano nga ba ito?
Yes, actually, hindi naman din talaga ako lumaki na inisip ko na magkakaroon ako ng hilig sa pagluluto or baking or whatever. Yung sa kusina, hindi talaga. But then, nung lumalaki ako, mahilig ako sa pagkain. So, nag-experiment ako until eventually natuto ako. Nakakagawa ako ng cupcakes, nakakagawa ako ng oatmeal bars on my own. So, hanggang sa nireregalo ko siya, nagugustuhan nila, may mga nag-order until eventually, naging business, hobby, passion. Parang passion ko rin kasi na hindi naman ko din talaga before naisipan na gagawin ko.
Siyempre, nag-umpisa kayo sa maliit na menu. Ngayon, ilang cupcakes na po ba ang ginagawa nyo per day?
I make several, di ko na nga nabibilang din kung ilang cupcakes ang nagagawa ko. Di ba? Kumaabot din ng 100 plus cupcakes in a day na ginagawa namin. So, stressful din talaga at nakakapagod kasi yung 100 na yun dumadaan sa kamay ko, yung oatmeal bars na ginagawa ko din talaga, ako din talaga. So, malinis po yung mga ginagawa ko at masarap.
So, said, growing up, hindi naman po kayo mahilig sa kusina. I mean, hindi po kayo nagluluto.
Hindi.
Pero, bakit po baking? Saan po kayo na-inspire from baking?
Baking kasi feeling ko magic kaya. Parang paano sila nakakagawa nung ganun. Parang feeling ko may magic pag nagbe-bake ka. Parang from flour, tapos may mapapaalsa and all that. Nung ako na yung gumagawa dati, para siyang sira-sira siya. So, pag nakakagawa na ako ng perfect na cupcake, parang feeling ko, nakakapag-magic ako. So, mas maganda. Tapos kapag nasa kusina naman ako nagluluto ako ng kunwari adobo, ganyan, parang feeling ko messy, madumi. Hindi ko gusto, parang mas masaya ako. Doon lang sa feeling na parang, ay, magical siya. Tapos, nasasarapan din ako kasi kinakain ko nga siya. So, mahilig ako talaga. Hilig ko na din nung lumaki ako kasi masarap. But, cooking talaga yung ulam. hindi ko masyadong forte.
Yun nga kasi that's what's good about baking. Parang nandun ka sa process all throughout. Kaya nasalong magical kasi nakikita mo yung bawat stage.
Ang saya.
Anyway, ano po yung best-selling cupcake ninyo?
Yung vanilla cupcake.
And that's what we're having today. I can't wait to taste them.
Welcome! Pagpasensyaan nyo na dahil really this one is not intended to be a room talaga for kitchen, baking, or whatever. I have a mini kitchen there. And then ito, dito lang namin sinisingit lahat ng mga gamit na meron kami. So, let's see kung paano ba.
Cupcakes are the new cake. Everywhere you turn, pastry chefs are on vogue of this budding venture. And Miss Judy Vargas saw the same exciting opportunity in the cupcake business. They're this ubiquitous pick-me-up we turn to in times of celebration and gloom.
But if we have to go now, I guess there's always hope that someplace will be serving after hours.
You have to sift the flour first. After ng flour, baking soda, baking powder. So, baking powder. Haluin ulit. And then, salt. So, you have butter. And then, yung white sugar. Tapos, 3 markets next, yung eggs natin. Ayan. So, kailangan natin ng butter. Ayan na dyan. And, when we do this, separate namin yung dry, tsaka yung sa wet. So, tapos naman lang namin siya paghahaluin. So, minimix muna namin sila dito in separate bowls. Tapos, yung white sugar. So, kailangan natin ng gatas. Yung vanilla. And then, yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, imimix na natin. So, maging fino siya, no? Ideally, dapat talagang tunaw na siya. And then, sabi ko nga, this is about mix lang. So, unti-unti, ihahalo ko yung dry na separate, yung sineparate natin kanina. Ayan, para maghalo sila.
After mixing the dry and wet ingredients, the mixture called batter is now ready to be put in your paper baking cups into a muffin tin. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and springy to the touch. Remove from the oven and cool for frosting. In a mixing bowl, beat the white eggs and then start to sift in the icing sugar, stirring regularly and surely. Add the vanilla extract. The frosting should be light and creamy. Mix your chosen food coloring evenly into the icing. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, pipe the icing onto your cupcakes and finish them with your chosen decorations. At narito na nga po tayo sa ating paboritong portion. Ito nga ang tikiman. But before that, let me say that Miss Judy is indeed a wonderful woman. At kasi nga, she's able to juggle her life as a counselor, pero nakakuha pa rin niyang mag-bake ng kanya mga, what do you call this, vanilla cupcakes. At yun nga ang titikman natin sa araw na ito. So, ready na ako. Tikman ang ating napaka-colorful na cupcake.
Kasi yung buhay ko colorful.
Yes, sabi nga ni ma'am, colorful ang kanyang buhay.
Okay.
Pero tignan natin kung kasing colorful din ba ang lasa ng cupcake. So yun, masarap siya. At as you can see, nakikita nyo yung moist ng cupcake. Tapos, yung icing niya hindi ganun katalinsan. So basically, pwede siya sa ating mga yung health conscious, no? Lalo na sa ating mga matatanda na medyo nagba-back out sa sugar.
Yeah.
Yun.
Kapabawas na.
Right. Mapunta naman tayo sa serious note of it. Since you're a counselor, tanong ko po, paano nyo po naisingit itong hobby na ito? Since, syempre, napaka-demanding ng buhay ng isang politician.
Ako naisingit. Kasi pag love mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi siya pwedeng mawala dun sa routine mo araw-araw. So ako naman, like, pag nasa-stress ako, nandito lang ako, parang gagawa lang ako para mawala yung stress dun sa buong araw. Tsaka, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pag nakatutok naman talaga ako, 1-2 hours lang ng buhay ko in a day, makakagawa.
So ngayon naman na, yun nga, ganap na counselor na kayo, paano nyo po nasasatisfy yung role nyo bilang isang counselor dito sa UK?
Nung first term talaga, ayoko kasi I was the youngest nung term, 20, pag-graduate ko lang. So, syempre, magsasabi nila sa amin, bata, walang magkagawa yan. So, na-pressure ako, may pressure na doon. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-aaral ako ng seminars, bumili ako ng local government code and all that. Sinabi ko na hindi dapat nila ako mapulaan. Kumbaga, syempre, walang taong perfecto, pero dapat sabihin nila, masasabi mo na kung bumoto ka sa akin, sulit yung boto mo. So, I crafted several ordinances para po sa bayan ng Lingayen, like yung Design Plastic Bag Ordinance. It's the first comprehensive ordinance sa lalawigan ng Pangasinan, plus other resolutions and all that. And if I can make projects naman like yung barkada kontra droga, yung mga pang-estudyante, ginagawa ko. Specific activities talaga for small things, pero sabi ko nga, importante. Meron kami nagagawa. Kasi you know what, sa Sangguniang Bayan, pag counselor naman talaga kami, ang ina-expect ng mga tao, ang powerful mo. Or akala nila pag lumapit sila, madali lang na magbaguhin. Like for example, mag-traffic sa linggo yun. Pwede bang baguhin nyo o kaya minsan sinisisi nila kami. Pero ang power kasi talaga nasa local chief executive, nasa mayor. Kami, we can make certain actions sa Sangguniang Bayan through legislation. Pero hindi namin ganun kayang i-inject agad yung change na gusto nila. So malaki din. Pero ina-explain ko sa kanila na unti-unti, may ginagawa kami para mabago. But not as big yung ina-expect nila na.
So ma'am, would you like to invite our viewers to come and taste your cupcakes?
Imitahin ko po kayong lahat. Sana po mabisita niyo kami dito. Nandito lang po kami sa Bayan ng Lingayen, of course, Kabayan sa Boulevard. And, yun po, bisitahin niyo po kami sa Bayan ng Lingayen. Pag meron po kayong panahon, manood po kayo ng ating session para makita niyo po kung ano ginagawa namin doon. And maraming salamat po kay Sir Louie for guesting me here. Ang saya-saya ko po. Sana nagustuhan niyo po yung cupcakes na ginawa ko. And I hope to have more activities pa with you. Kasama ko po, katuwang ko po ang Talk TV Globe. Maraming salamat.
And that is how Honorable Judy Vargas does it. Like her moist cupcakes topped with velvety cream, our love and respect for her is now entrenched. It's also this psychological pull that means she and her pastry treat will always retain a special place in our hearts. Way to go, counselor! While Miss Judy was getting her groove, making some of her delish cupcakes, I was able to sneak in at another diner haven in Lingayen. I was invited by Google Business Group, the Gupan and Pangasinan chapters to take on a food tour to rediscover Pangasinan's food culture, industry, and products. here is where I met our second guest. Welcome to my Pangasinan food tour experience.
The moment has come to face the truth. I'm wide awake.
Composed of a group of vloggers, photographers, media, and other foodies, the food tour team journeyed to the different participating cities and municipalities in Pangasinan. The introduction of the food tour is actually a run-up to the Pangasinan food map, which will be held sometime in the first quarter of the year 2014. The food map will ultimately create a digital blueprint of the province's entire food experience, what to eat and where to find them.
No, I don't.
Narito po ako ngayon sa Yoli's Garden Grill and Restaurant, and together with me is our beautiful owner, Ma'am Yoli. Gusto niyo pong batiin ang ating audience?
Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Yoli's Garden Grill and Restaurant here in Ramos Street, Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Kailan po nag-start ang business niyo, Ma'am?
We started around late July.
So, sino po yung katuwang ninyo sa business niyo, Ma'am?
Of course, it was my daughter, Marian Cruz, Ison, at saka yung asawa niya,
Opo.
si Julius
And you
Ison.
mentioned that he was an international chef.
Yes, yes. Both of them are hoteliers actually, and he worked in the Sheraton, Manila Hotel. Then he migrated to Canada to work. He went there twice, and he was given an honor to be an international chef because he can cook so many kinds of recipe from other countries. Now, when on the third time when he was about to go back, my daughter prevented him from going because it was so cold in Canada and he didn't have any relatives and he felt so lonely. So my daughter told him, "Oh, we better open a business in Lingayen, in as much as there are very few eateries." That's why we started.
What an interesting story po naman. So, I'm really sure na you're very proud of this one, lalo pat ipinangalan sa inyo yung business na ito.
That's why I was wondering why. Siguro, I may be having qualities.
And I'm sure that you've influenced your daughter a lot. Yes. So ngayon po, ano pong iprepare natin pagkain para tikman ng ating audience?
What we are going to prepare this afternoon is vegetable tempura, which means frying in deep. It's deep fried, and another version of okoy.
So are we gonna start cooking?
Sure.
I'm sure you do. Mommy Yoli's enthusiasm was contagious and she has kept me smiling all the time. In fact, sobra akong nawili. We even had our photo taken. At her age, you must be expecting her to stay at home doing the elderly pursuits. But no, she manages a restaurant right outside her home instead of cultivating a flower garden. Now that is something.
What we shall prepare for today in Yoli's Garden Grill is vegetable tempura. Tempura, which means deep frying. Only the ingredients have to be fresh chilled to enhance its crispiness. The ingredients are so affordable, like squash, carrots, bell pepper, onions, a little egg, pepper, salt, and a little seasoning. What you have to do now is to combine all the ingredients and place it in the batter, which is prepared. After mixing, we place in the batter and fry it with deep fry. This is now our finished product, the vegetable tempura, and hope you like it.
Yes. So tikman na natin, Mommy.
Oh, sure.
Tara. Yoli's Garden Grill also offers other famous Filipino cuisines like kare-kare, pinakbet, and inihaw na pusit or grilled squid. Napakasarap. So if I were you, come and visit Yoli's Garden Grill and Restaurant. Dito yan sa Lingayen. Tara, kain tayo. It has become clear to me that we need to do more to shine a light on this ambitious Successful women who dream big and achieve their personal and professional goals while staying true to themselves regardless their age and upbringing. This is why we must keep inspiring our women to design their own paths. And that has been Cook and Talk TV. Watch out for another episode next Friday. This is Louie, your host, saying, open something delicious. Till then,
Guys, this is the way how to it is. So tara na, punta na dito at tikman ang masarap na pagkain dito. Saan po? Nakalimutan.